Hello, world. CMZTrades. We're going to get right into it, picking up where we left off on the previous episode. We are taking a look at NQ, continuing the 100 trades backtesting challenge in Series 2, trading MarketCipher Basic Strategy, journaling in TradeZella. Here's where we are today. We are in the middle of this trading week for November 2024. This is historic price action data. It happened last year, and we are replaying it. And trading it based on our strategy, the MarketCipher Basic Strategy. MarketCipher is a tool that you also can use. Go to MarketCipherTrading.com to find out more. We're down $3.9 thousand. We're going to continue trading the Windows Wednesday price action in these charts. Let's go ahead, pull up the charts now. We can see the trade that we took last stream. Here it is. All right, we took this trade. It lasted about an hour. And I think we took away $1,000 profit from that. All right. Now, then we fast forwarded to the new day. Market ends and begins after a quick break between 2 and 3 p.m. if you're here on the Pacific Coast, Pacific time zone. 2 to 3 p.m. futures markets are closed Sunday through Friday. Okay. Here we go. We are going to fast forward about 15 minutes just to give price action some time to breathe. You know, this is the time it took us to splash water on our face, get back to the computer, and we'll simulate starting here. All right, let's find us a trade. Now, let's take a look here. Okay. Let's take it from the top. You know the drill by now. You've been tuned in to the series and multiple episodes. I think this would be episode 13 in total between series 1 and series 2. So I'm not going to talk quite as much as I look through MarketCipher. It just helps me concentrate a little bit better. But I'll call out what I see. Looks bullish to me on the daily. 12 hours strong. Six hour just got a new frame and she's hanging in there. Four hour came up beautifully off of this anchor trigger. Yeah, I could see, I mean, higher time frames are bullish. We could be due for a pullback. If you recall, we just blazed past a historic spider line that was retested 3 times in the most recent weeks or even months. And the 4th time we just blew on past. I think price would want to come back and test that support. Previously resistance, I think it wants to come back and test it as support. You can see that here. There it is there. So September, October, November. So just over the past 3 months, 1 test, 2, 3, and we blow past 4. Does she want to retest before heading higher? Maybe even pull back to here. Definitely would set an alert here, right off this line, 854. Mid-time frames, probably a great time to sell. Money flows peaking. You know, down here you can see when it peaked, the lower end starts to come back up. Peaked here, starts to come back down. So, you know, of course, price can still pump. Down like this, pump, and then crash on down, and then pump again. So it looks bullish, but it looks like the kind of situation where if you're already in a trade, you set a smart stop loss and you ride it out. But if you're not in a trade, you don't just jump in one. This was a absolutely beautiful basic strategy here. Money flow increasing, momentum increasing. Enter in here. All right. She is pumping, no doubt about that. She wants to pull back and give a chance for some liquidity exchangement. Yeah. All right. Here's a little pullback action. So we're not doing anything right now. I mean, what I expect or anticipate is something like that, or something like this. So I'm just going to play out the candles for a little bit, because I'm not trading any of this right now at this very moment. Love to see a retest so we can pump. Didn't quite get the retest I wanted. Those early birds. Okay. It's okay. We did get some healthy pullback action. Now she could make her move, or something like that. Let's take a look, see what the 15's doing. Because I kind of like this 5 for a pump. It's a little rigged though. Money flows leaving. I like the 15. She's juiced. Yeah, the bulls are hungry here. Bears are waiting, seeking whom they may devour. I'm not trading that. So we're setting a stop loss now. I'd set one here to get my attention, 876. And I'd set one here, 940. She's gonna have to crack one of those. All right, boom. That didn't take very long. Now what I'd love to see, 2140. November 6th. short there. Yeah. I mean, if she wants to move, bulls would likely take her up here to 2140. Or wait, what am I saying? 230. 230. Got a nice spider line there. Yeah, she spent a lot of time consolidating in this zone. I could definitely see her continuing a push up. I can see that. But it's not what I think. We need MarketCipher to show us something. And we do like this on the 2-hour. And then this VWAP coming back up like this. She could push. Starting to potentially clip on the 6-hour, which would be at 3 a.m. Still got that bullish look. Forward She looks bullish, but I'm not biting. Let's think about some alerts. Set an alert, here. Well, let's say the 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, we got our alert here. Technically. Set an alert there. Let's set an alert. Back here. So we're going to step away from our machines again, simulating that we step away from our machines. I mean, we're seeing the money flow kind of chill out on the 5. We saw this price action just kind of want to pull back here, but then it spikes up and now it's right back to that level again. This kind of indicates to me I don't want to trade that. I need to see something bearish on the 15. I think another move up and then back down. We might try to catch that back down. But folks, this is like some bullish activity. These tight trigger waves on the 15. Feels like we're looking for a long. But she wants to pull back, and that's why we can't really get a good entry on either right now. So we don't force it. Maybe there's something I'm not necessarily seeing but if I don't see it, I'm not trading. Don't get me wrong, 5 hour looks a little bearish. Money came up to there. Let's see, money came here and then here. That's down. And you got these RSIs moving downwards. So I'm hoping she wants to get back and do a retest. That spider line is very key, in my opinion. These green lines we drew represent price alerts. That's going to bring us back to our computer. So, I mean, we step away. We go find something to eat, whatever. Boom, we got a price alert. Now we're back at the machine. And we're watching, what was that, like a half hour maybe went by? If you were gonna short, this would be the time. You'd only have to risk, it'd be a $1,200 risk. I mean, these are typically the kind of shorts we would take on gold. But we need to see something in MarketCipher to help us out. We got we do have the 4 hour confirmed. Money RSIs are strong and high. They don't gotta stay up there, like right here. Boom, snap down. But like here, came down a little bit, but then right back up. If we do short, gonna have to be a fast one, because the bulls are in control. Yeah, these RSIs high and tight, daily looks ready to rip for some higher price action. Fading this bullish trend, we would have to be pretty confident. And I just don't see that. You know, to me, the money flows pointing up on too many of these mid time frames. You know, it's not till we get to the 12 where we can see the fight happening. Yeah, we can really see this fight. Ooh, this is some basic strategy type stuff, folks. I mean, from 2300 hours to 1 a.m. So past 2 hours, this has been building up on the 1 minute. Let's see if I can draw that better here. Money flow. Give me a second. Quick 2-minute break. All right, we're back in action here. You know, I don't trust this 1 minute. I'm looking at a 15-minute candle. Yeah. Happens fast, folks. Happens fast. And these are some beautiful candles. Let's say these are regular candles. Okay. Look at the hike in the sheet here. Yeah, let's do hike in the sheet candles. Oh, they're not purple then. Gold like I want them to be though. No, we'll keep this right here. Okay, so what am I doing, folks? I'm looking to get in a trade. 935.50. Kind of want to see the short down to here, and then we get in a long, because it didn't really, I mean, that would have been beautiful, but yeah, we could have did that, but I didn't see it. I saw money flow leave it, and I didn't want to do it. I think I could see us coming down for another retest. So that's what we're going to wait for, you know. We are not going to push this one, folks. Not seeing a confident move just yet.
I can hear your voice.
Yeah, 2 hours just lurking. VWAP's just lurking below. You know, there's some bearish activity coming here. So we're not gonna. Okay. All right, let's watch this pull back here. I think she's pulling back, but let's also be ready. Prep for a long. I think this is bull season. I'm bringing the bull mascot out. But we would like to see a pullback. A healthy pullback. Okay. This might have been it, folks. That's kind of shortable. Look at that. Wham, wham, wham. I could see that. We need to close a candle outside of this thing. Yeah. Yeah, the bears are trying to get some control back here. The high time frames, the bulls are strong. The mid time frames, the bulls are getting exhausted. Well, no, I think it's better to say, you know, they're cooling off in the shade. Priming back up. What at 10 minute here? Well, let's see where she breaks out. We can trade this either way at this particular time. Tell you what, the bears are putting up a fight here, folks. I gotta bring them out one time. They're showing face. They're not going down without a fight. I mean, you got bears here, bears here, bears here. You get more bears showing up here, we're getting a push down. Especially right here, there's a lot of liquidity opportunity. Could be $1,000 trade right there. Short that. Risk 1,000. Maybe even 1,200. Go for $1,000 win. Take half, let the rest ride. Maybe we can get. That could be big. I need a reason to short. 5 looks shortable. Give me something on the 15. I can see a rejection here. RSI's come down. They're red. Money flows leaving rather sharply. I need something on the mid time frames. Yeesh. No, I can't do it. I need a 2 hour. 4 hours got our back for the bears. 3 a.m. candle on the 6 hour. How long until 3 a.m.? Oh, we're about to be there. That 40-minute is just bullish out of its mind. Yeah, I mean, I see it on the 5, but I just don't see it on the higher up mid-high time frames. I'm not here to just take these little scalps. I can't do it. And by little scalp, I mean that's not little, it's low time frame based scalps. I want some backup. See what I mean? We would have barely got there. Yeah, and then here come the bulls. This is the kind of stuff you'll see, though, where the move wants to happen here, but it's too bullish. The move showing more signs of happening, really going to get people invested, and then fake them out, and then it just slams on the third, on the third look. That's where we could get this move. Maybe the 15 sized up. Nope, she's bullish. Goodness gracious, she's bullish. We about to go long, folks. We might have to go long here. I don't remember drawing that. I don't know what that is. Yeah, 40 minutes juiced up. 2 hour looks like she could finally get back up there. 6 hour new frame. 6 hour wants to stay alive. It's not ready to give the bears any room here. Okay. Reason to get in. Let's watch this 1 minute. Folks, I'm about to take this long. I'm seeing what I want to see. Open gates every which way I look. 2 hours, show me something. I want this 2 hour to come around. I have to front run this this 4 and this 2 hour a little bit. Give me some pullback, and I'm really going to think about going long here. All right. Beautiful. Thought I could get it to come down. I thought she'd come down just a little bit more for me. I got greedy. That's still, you know what? I missed it. I got greedy. I let it play for 20 more minutes and I missed it. So now we got to watch it shoot to the moon without us because we missed our entry. She might be giving us another chance. And I like this even better. Look how tight. Yeah, I like this one even better. And we can get a strong stop loss. This might be even better. Beautiful 2 minute. Did our 2 hour come around? Our 2 hour did come around. 5-minute do a thing. All right, I'm going long. Oh man, they're making it tough. All this sideways action. I need to just get in this trade and stop tripping. I like what I see. 4 hour. Looks like she's coming around, especially since the 2 hour went bullish. VWAP came back up. 1 hour, strong as heck. 40 minute, looking like a push. 15, she can get there. She can get there. She can get there. Trigger waves happening. VWAP wants to come right back up. Do we see it happening on the 10? Not quite. Oh, that's risky. 6 minute. She's slowing down. Yeah, I can't. I know. I know. I know. There's the 15. Of course. All right, I'm getting in. Albeit kind of late. Still going to take this. I do like the bullish look here. We're going to risk more than we ought to. Probably way more than we ought to. Oh, where are we at on the spider line thing? Let me see. 605. So we've been camping out this trade, folks, for like 12 hours back and forth in our screen. We haven't gotten a trade yet. And that's okay. So like since right here, this was the trade really, but we didn't really see it on the 5 minute. Our entry, you know, I'm noticing we miss a lot of good trades that are happening on the mid time frames because we can't find that perfect entry. We might have to reapproach our trading plan from that aspect. But let's see. Let's stick to the plan for now. 6:05 a.m. we got a ways. We're closing 15s all up in here. 1 hours are getting closed, even 4-hour candles. How long does this 4-hour candle have? Until 7 a.m. What time is it? It's only got an hour left. To be quick. Play this one real tight, folks. 991.25. Getting my screenshots. Not gonna take this long. I think she's about to pump. We got high to low alignment. I'm content. Feeling confident. I feel like it speaks to me. I think we're nailing the alignment here, folks. We like everything we see. We're not really coming off of a trend line or that sort of thing. So not an ace entry, but we're kind of in the middle, but we're seeing some movement, folks. We're seeing some movement like we want to see it. Yeah, I mean, we're seeing as far as defensive goes, no, this is not a defensive stop loss. I mean, this is much more defensive. Get below these 15s. Risk 2,500 though. Oof. I don't want to do that. We'll risk 1,500. I mean, if she can't push above, she's got to have some more push in her. You know, if she gets big down here and doesn't push up, is here and then falls, I think I don't want to be a part of it. Stand, just, you know, that's just it. I'm making the call. I'm expecting a strong push up from here. You know, that's why I'm setting such a tight stop loss, which isn't even, when I say tight stop loss, I mean, which is why we're not putting our stop loss where she goes, which is down here, you know, really, like, I mean, below here would be really great. This was probably our entry was right here. Stop loss down here. That's how it should be. But you know, folks, we'll take what we can get here. Take what we can get. Take what we can get. We're gonna watch her closely. We're gonna watch her closely, that's for sure. All right. Now we're just looking for a reason to exit. Notes. Definitely getting faster with this journaling part, getting my screenshots in. rigid. How do you spell rigid? That's rigged. Rigid. I don't know. Let's say, we'll say strong momentum expected to continue with new green dot. RSI's pointing up. VWAP swam below zero line and then made way up for what looks like a push. RSI's high and tight. Money flow looks very strong. All right. Nothing to it but to do it, folks. We're going to watch very closely on the 1 minute. Time to let her fly. Oh, let's make sure this represents an hour. So here's 6:09. This would be 7:09. There's 1 hour. Right, we are 6:09 to almost a little over 15 minutes in the trade. Looking for the bulls to show up. 5 minute, possibly clipping to the downside. 4 minutes still looks gates open. 3 looks like it's hanging in there. 2 minute fresh green dot. Our 15 gates are still open. We are hanging in there, folks. Bears just slammed back down, getting close to our stop loss. We need the bulls to show up very, very soon. Let's go, bulls. Let's go. Within 5 points of our stop loss, the bulls are starting to look alive. Can they continue to push higher? Okay. Now, let's slow it down. Let's slow it down a little bit. Because we need to think about where we're at. I'm going to add another minute price action just to represent us thinking. Five minutes got some room. Looks like she's got some room. Going up to 640. Yeah, she could have another 5 minutes to get up there. 15 looks alive. 40 looks alive. We just need to hang in there. We just need to hang in there, folks. There's a strong candle. Okay. I'm going to catch us up. I mean, we are 609 to 640. That's a little over 35 minutes. We want to get caught up on TradeZella, so we can see where we're at P&L wise. Because, price is moving. We don't want to miss knowing and being aware of what price is doing. 6:43 a.m. here. 6:43 a.m. We're moving at a minute at a time. At the minute chart. Let's replay it so far. 6:43 a.m. So we got to go 40 minutes into this trade here. 3 minutes in, we were 260 down. We were 200 up, and then we were 300 down, 400 down. 600 down, and that's when we got the bulls arriving for a push up. 650 in the profit, $1,000 in the profit. She dropped back down and wicked back up. We are 1,600 in the profit. What time is it? It's 6:43. Still got some minutes to play here. Okay. Where is price at over here? We need to be at 83, almost even. There it is, 82.75. Okay, that puts us 27.80 in profit. Now, I don't have to tell you guys, that would be a good look if we took all of that off the table right now. Even taking half. But let's reason with the charts. Okay. Let's take a look. Just looking at MarketCipher. What makes sense here is our 4 hour. Our 4 hour. What time is it? What time is it on this thing? 6:40 a.m. 4 hour gets a candle in 20 minutes, which might be a green candle. That would be awesome. The 40's wide open, or the 1 hour's wide open. Gates are open on the 40. I mean, she looks healthy. 5 minute, strong. 3 minute clipping just ever so slightly. 1 minute. We're gonna okay. All right, you know what? Let's pull out. That's the charts. And let me tell you something. The 5 minute looks good. And it's only the 1 and 3 minute that looks like a pullback. That means it could just be one of these little dips, and then she shoots for the moon some more. That 4 hour, folks, looks like she's pulling up. We don't want to miss that, but we also don't want to get tunnel visioned out of these profits that we're in right now. What does the trading plan say? Because right now, MarketCipher is telling me just stay cool, keep it going. Trading plan. We've only been in the trade about 40 minutes. So when is it okay to move stop loss after taking profit? When the move is high risk? I don't feel like this is high risk, folks. I feel like this is pumping, and we're pretty sure she's going higher. After 1 hour in the trade, we can move stop loss when we want. When the move is high risk, we trail. You know, it wouldn't hurt to trail. Every entry must have a TP1 predetermined. Oh, we didn't really predetermine that, did we? Let's look at the chart and let's see what makes sense. Okay. Oh, look at this. We're right here. That's right. Well, we've already blazed past that. We're kind of expecting her. Where is she at now? 082. I mean, look at that spider line right here. Yeah, she's getting awfully close to this spider line. She's closer to the spider line than she is further away from our entry. That, to me, is good enough to take some profits. Also, the millionaire etiquette. I will take profit at key zones. We haven't necessarily reached a key zone. Key zone would be the spider line. After a strong move, this is a strong move. Look at that candle. And that price could retrace to fill in this imbalance before going higher. And then we take profit whenever it feels like a good idea. It feels like a good idea. I am taking half off the table right now. I'm selling. Sell. Boom. Done. We did it. We sold half. Now I'm moving my profit. I need to move my stop loss into some take profit area, which would be, wow. I mean, this is just one strong 15-minute candle. It's kind of making it hard to tell you what. If we're going to take another 1,000 right below this 5-minute candle. So she has to keep on pumping in order for us to stay alive here. 063.75. 263.75. Okay, so there's our take profit. We don't want to see her get below that. All right. Can she do it? Can she keep us alive for some more gains? Nope. Took us out so quick. So that new 4-hour candle is coming up at 7 o'clock. I mean, that's a really tight stop loss. It's kind of a little unwarranted. It's not. I mean, I think she's going to just rip again here coming at 7 o'clock. And, you know, it's going to be a violin story. But, so we're out of the trade like right here. It was about a 35-minute trade. And, I mean, let's see what she's going to do at this 7 o'clock. Yeah. You know, a break. I mean, we can't complain. We pocketed. You know, we can't complain too much here, folks. Matter of fact, we're not complaining at all. So there's that. Now, where are we at? Where does that put us? There's our trade. I mean, it took 609. It took about 20 minutes for us to really get in profit. And then, you know, 15 minutes after that, you know, we're out of the trade. So a good 35-minute trade. In retrospect, I think we gotta. I mean, you heard me say how bullish she was. I should have put that. Let me put that in here. During the trade, we got into $2,700 profit after about 35 minutes. We caught up TradeZella and looked at MarketCipher for confluence. MC continued to look bullish, high to low. 4 hour, it's 20 minutes away from potentially firing off a green candle. Is she, by the way? And she did. And she most certainly did. 2 hours strong. 30-minute strong. 15 strong. 5 showing a little weakness, folks. Showing a little weakness, but when you're being carried by the 24-minute, the hourly, I bet, is just, still rolling. Yeah, she's going. She's going. I love how we weren't looking at this like, ooh, bearish. We saw the money flow. We saw how tight the VWAP was remaining. We paid attention to the mid time frames, the lower mid time frames, and watched for reasons to take this long. There's are sad. No, you're not happy. You're over here. Bears are sad right now. And we saw it coming. We saw it coming, folks. That is going to be the only trade we take this episode. Should we get a peek at how it played out? I mean, we don't necessarily jump back in a trade, but we don't. We know necessarily about it. Now, sometimes we have. Look, we trade when our setup is obvious. Right now, we had a huge pump. We would have to have a considerable pullback, a comfortable pullback. And we're not getting back in this particular case. I'll tell you that much. Anytime, price would have to do something, which that's just a stop loss. Get off that screen. Price would have to, touch a zone, touch an area like down here. Oh, the bulls are still alive. Boom. We long. But no, we don't get back in here. And then she pulls back on us, and then we're like, oh no, we missed. That's not what you want. You don't pressure luck. You take a break. I'm about to hit the gym. Get in some steps on the treadie. Get a pump with the curl bar. Hit the legs. Get a full body pump going. Hit the hot tub. Hit the sauna. Get well hydrated. Come home. Make some steak. And, find out where I'm at. Just reassess. Maybe we do a late night stream, or maybe not. Folks, I'm feeling pretty good about this session. Now, let's make a decision. Let's check out TradeZella. Oh, let me finish these notes just real quick. I'm saying we took profit based on millionaire etiquette. Don't laugh. I'm just gonna say millionaire strategy because I can't spell etiquette off the top of my head. Okay. We took profit based on millionaire strategy of it feels like a good time to take profit. Also, there was a strong push. Two good reasons to take profit. We then set stop loss tight behind a 5-minute candle. Well, behind the current 5-minute candle. Stop loss was hit a couple of minutes later. In retro, we fast forwarded to see price move higher. Retrospect, stop loss was tight, but we really wanted to lock in another 1K. So that's what we did. There you go, folks. We've taken 8 trades in this series. 43 in the last. That puts us at 51. trades total in the 100 trade challenge. If we come over here to the dashboard, we're now $1,400 down. Gosh, that Monday just really put us behind the 8 ball. But you know what? What a great way to start a series. We're demonstrating that mental control, that mentality of being a trader where you don't let a red day, even as bad as this red day, affect what you do in the days after. We could very well finish up this Thursday and get through this Friday and have a profitable week. That's something. We still have 3 more weeks after that to build this account. Our average win-loss is taking shape. This is what we want to see. We want to see bigger wins than we do losses. We are, once we get into the green, our profit factor gets to 1 or higher. So we definitely got to pull this up. But focus on this and the rest takes care of itself. Now, 3 trades in a row wasn't enough to undo 4 bad trades, but our 4th trade could put us back in the money. Guess what? We're not going to take the trade with that in mind. We're just going to take the trade based on our plan and let the market give us what she wants to give us. We'll take it. But I love to see this, a $2,400 trade. Beautiful. And our risk was what, $1,500? Beautiful. Love to see it. Folks, it is 7 a.m. on the Thursday on our charts. Let's say, because we stayed up all night watching this darn trade based on how we took this trade. I say we don't take a trade after 11. So you know what? That's it for this Thursday. We're going to fast forward. Well, that's it for this Thursday morning. We still have Thursday afternoon to trade starting at 3 when the markets open back up. But here from 7 to 3, what is that? That's a good 8 hours to sleep, get some rest. We're going to fast forward it and see what she does. Oh, remember our actual take profit was 199. Oh, look at that. Yeah, she got there. She managed to get there. That's awesome. So she did get to our spotter line, 199. Let's see what she's going to do. I'd be pretty surprised if she blows past this without some kind of pullback. Okay, the bears putting up a little bit of a fight there. So yeah, we could have seen quite a bit more profit if we just held tight. But, and I really was feeling like, that was totally confident. We were riding that wave, folks. We were hanging 10. That's some point break type stuff. And we called it. That might have been the best trade I've ever taken. Just so y'all know, that might have been the best trade I've ever taken in terms of seeing what could happen and then watching it play out so beautifully. I mean, there was just like no real pullback type stuff, just constant climb all the way to our target. And it just knocks on our target and it even goes past it. I mean, that's amazing. So, keeping that one extra in there, I think it was like 70 total points to, no, it was like 100 where we first got in. Shoot, I don't remember. It was 609. So we got in like here, and we got out at 7:45, like somewhere around here, maybe. Wait. Oh no, I'm tripping. We got in at 6:09. And we were out before 7. That's right, because that 4 hour came alive at 7. So, I mean, like, here's the trade we took. And then she just, yeah, we got out here. So then we missed out. Oh my gosh. We missed out on over $5,000. Now, if we kept that one contract in, wait a second. Yeah, that's 2,400. So we was at 2,400 here. And then we'd have left one contract to keep riding. Wow, that would have been 1,000, 2,000. Yeah, another 3. Hold on. Is my math in here? Yeah, 2,000, 3,000. No, about 2,500. So we could have had another 2,500 here. Sheesh. But you know what? Why did I set my stop loss so tight? I feared that it would come back and then we wouldn't be able to get that extra money. I worried that, we're still in the red and here's an opportunity to really put a dent in getting out of the red. But because of that, I missed out on trusting the trade. So I'm going to document that in the journal. That's a good one. Yeah, we'll say, you know what, we need to get a screenshot of that too. So what time are we talking? Up to 3 o'clock. Let me look at that. Yeah, we traded this, and then she just,
Waking up anew.
wow. Let's get a little screenshot.
Wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right.
Oh, cool. I can just copy and paste it.
Slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
Price
Waking up
did
anew.
continue all the way
Wasting
to our
time is all I
target
do.
spider line.
But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now.
Our one
You said you
contract
want me when it's
would
that.
have been,
Being with you just
would
feels
have brought
right.
in another
Said we could meet it when it's that. Yeah,
on top of the
being honest,
1200
I want this
EP
to
one.
last. Said you wanted honest.
So that would have been a total of 3,700
Giving you my hand.
trade. Yeah, gotta learn to hold it. And you know what? It's a little bit different too, because NQ, when you see a move in NQ, as long as she doesn't, wick down, and hit your stop loss, when she starts moving in your direction, she just moves. And, I can really see why NQ
Sun is about to go down.
is what a lot of day traders
Tonight,
gravitate towards.
everything I can't think of.
I am feeling like an NQ type of trader, more so than gold at this particular point. I just love the volatility. I love the conviction in the moves. And folks, you cannot ask for much better trading than that today. We did exactly what we were supposed to. We took what the market gave us. We had a little sense of fear, but you know what? Could have went the other way, but the probability was in our favor, and we can't miss those opportunities either. So we're not here to be fearful. We're here to stick to the trading plan and our confluence. Next time, we'll give it a little more grace. It's definitely a lot easier mentally to trust more and put a little more room for movement to go against you when you're already in the green. And being in the red for this series so far, whether I like it or not, it's going to have some type of effect on my trading. But we stick to the plan as closely as possible, and we just keep getting in and attacking. Good things will happen because we have MarketCipher Basic Strategy. We have enough patience and enough discipline. We are in the game, and we will continue to win because that's what we do now. This is the future for my life, and I'm very close now to getting everything I've been working so hard towards these last 4 or 5 years. Find out what happens next in the next episode when CMZ trades.
It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time that